Okay, we only got a few minutes, but what I want to do, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you guys, every time I get on here, Tesla's going up. The stock I hated last year is go up every day. It look like it go up, it go down, starts off in red, but it's in the 90. It's in the what is it? $2 over $2 now, $200 a share. It's about 214, 213. Last I looked about 214, 215. So what can you say? So I'm gonna go to my tool because I want you to look at another AI tool. NVIDIA, where everybody thought we're gonna be 400 by now, about 450. It looked like it's retreating. But it did go up. It went from 300 and then it's about 370, 380, around that 380, 90. But let's go to our tool real quick. Let's share our screen. I'm gonna look at another AI that it's and I think I looked at it before, but it's under a penny, but I bought 100,000 shares of it, but it's AI and it's artificial intelligence, and this is a company. It's in the OTC, and it deals with delivery of robotic solutions, operational security, and all. And you should go to this website because it's real interesting. That's why I'm keeping it. And I put it over on I put it in my cash account. Look at this, security operations. If you go to the website, it's very impressive. And they've been in August 2008. They changed the name, Artificial Intelligence. I believe they changed the name to Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, Inc. in August of 2018. So it was founded in 2016. So it's in Ferndale, Michigan. So I'm from Detroit, so I know where Ferndale is. But this thing is kind of impressive. Got 85 employees, but it's right now. It's not the best stock out there for artificial intelligence, but it's doing some things. It's right here. It's coming up. It's under a penny. That's why I keep telling folks it's under a penny. It's under a penny. So I bought 100,000 of them for about $700. But I think they're doing pretty good. I bought them for like 7 cents, 78 cents of a penny. It's got potential. It's got potential. It was about 7 cents in 2022, but it's been going down but this is a high commodity. Future growth, they have added the criteria is not doing so well. So I always like the underdog. Earnings is not doing well, but I just wanted to show you this one, and I want you to see how debt is really heavy. They got a lot of debt. They got to have debt. In this field. Okay. Well, they doing some impressive things. People are buying into them. Compensation per earnings. The guy makes about $1 million a year, but they got experienced board, so they're going somewhere with this. And like I say, it's about 2% institutions, 98 all around, really 100%. They putting it all on us, the public. Okay. So they don't have any very these two right here. Top shareholders, Braxton Brothers and MA Capital Management, because it's under penny. It's one of the OTC stocks, but I like it because I went to their website. I think they got very good potential. So I'm going, I'm gonna throw some money in it because I think with AI, they can get a government contract the way they're doing. They probably do. They got several government. I think they got several contracts out there. But I wanted to show you this one. Now let's get back to it. We only got that long. We got about 12 minutes. So we're gonna look at Tesla is doing what Tesla do. So let's reshare our screen. Let's go to a new share. And let's see what we're doing in the market. Okay, we're gonna start off with my what we call my business account. And you can see what I did. Look at this. It went up to 91 cents. So I made $121, but I got 100,000 shares. I bought at 78 cents of a penny. It's 91 cents of a penny. So it's starting to do something. I'm ready for it to get to a penny or 2 pennies, maybe 10 cents, maybe $1. If it gets to $1, I'd have made $100,000. But let's see what it does. Let's see. It's got a lot of debt, but public is buying into these guys. This is another penny stock. This one right here haven't been doing anything. So I took about 100 shares out of this one. I had 300. I took about 100 more out until it get ready to do what it do. This one right here, it keep going up. It was 5, and it's 7. I'm still gonna keep my seat in the ground on this particular one, even though it's not doing anything. 1 cent of a penny and 0 cents of a penny. But look at Tesla's $214 now. Today, like it made me another 340. Look how much in cash, 2,000. This is really taking this one by storm, taking my deficit down. All the money I put from Tesla over on this side, look at it starting to go back up, because I had that under like $9,000. Now it's back to 14. And when I get rid of this, it'll be the 15. Because I think Tesla's going to do it right now, right? 213, but 200 is resistance. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it fights. And Tesla been over in China. I'm telling you, they've been able to try to talk to the prime minister. They got a deal with Ford on their, the hookups to fuel the car, battery fuel, their fueling stations. So this one right here, I just went in and I guess I don't know whether to let me take it. I thought this one was going to do something, but it hasn't done anything. So I'm going to go ahead and sell out of that if I can. I'll see it next year if it, try to do something. Okay. I don't need that one right there. I just need this one right here, Cossack. This one. I might buy 50 more of these, but I'm gonna see if it goes down. If it go down some more, I'll buy about 50 more. Matter of fact, let me go in and buy it right now. Buy 50 of them. Let's see if it do something next week. Okay. If I got enough to buy 50 of them. Yeah, 360 something. I think that's a good price. Okay. And it's one in here too. I thought about buying. It's H. I was gonna pick it up. This one right here. Since it's down, this one has some potential. I'm gonna show this one next week, but I'm gonna keep it on my watch list. I might look at it and see why it's But I got a few on my watch list. I might pick back up. I got $500. This one right here, I started to. This one went all the way up to $12. Now it's down to $8. So I'm with UCAR. That's one of the Japan. They went into agreement with somebody. So I'm waiting for this one to come down a little bit more. And then I buy about 50 of them. Buy about 50 of them at $9. I could be able to afford that. If it goes down just a little bit more, I make that one my over here in this cash account. I'm gonna look at it all night and see if it goes down. And then once it goes down, I'm gonna go ahead and pick it back up. Okay, so that's my business. Let's go to personal. See, personal's not doing too well over on this side. But look, I still got my seed in the ground. I'm still making money on every one of them. And this one, I said, this is the one I'm looking at. This one and the GovOx. These are the ones, two that I'm really, but this is my personal account. Okay. And I'm looking at this one and seeing what it's going to do. This is one of those which AI wristwatches that Apple is looking at too. So I got 300 of them at this amount, 300. And right now they're at 150. Okay. I got it at 156. Let's see if it do something. Right now it's at 2. And then we go to a margin account. We're going to spend a little time on it. We got 6 minutes. Apple is doing what Apple does. The Apple is up to 81. Remember, I bought it around 160. I really bought 149. I went back in and bought 20 more when it was about 160 something. And I bought 20 and I had 10, so it went up to 161. But now it's at 180. So I made it good. See, Apple always gonna make you a little money. Amazon, I kept them at 10, even though they've been trending. So I might take a look at them as this pot grows. Ford, I bought it at 11.48. Now it's almost 12.48. It's 12.38. So it's making a little bit of money. But Ford and Tesla's they starting to collude with one another. This MAGN, I said, well, let's see what it does. I had 13 and it still went up to 14. So that's making me a little bit of money. But I'm intrigued by that one. Intel, I got 100, back to 100. And I said, okay, I bought it at 28. Okay. I really bought it at 26, but I went back in and bought it when it went up to 30 or 20. I went and got a 50 more, and now I got 100. So Intel, don't count Intel out, folks. I know NVIDIA and AMD is doing what they do, but I'm trying to follow. AMD is intrigues me because AMD, I had them all. AMD was all the way up to 127. Now they're down to 117. So I'm trying to leave them alone a little bit because I did make about $300 on them. But I'm gonna wait for a while. They trending when Nineveh. You look at NVIDIA. Look at that. They trending down. I trending up. I bought them at 3-4. I bought them at. I had 10. I bought them at like 308, and then I went out 10. It was more than 308. It's like 320 something. But now it's almost $400. So I made about $500. So I'm not mad at them. Microsoft is doing what Microsoft do. Microsoft should be at least a $500 share stock, but Microsoft is burning the market up. Nokia, this is the one I'm taking a risk on right here. This one, Nokia, this not Nokia or whatever. I got 300 shares, but I think I might sell them and wait till they do something because I think they got to get to $1 soon. So maybe since they on a good side right now, let me go in there and take them out. I'm gonna go ahead because they're not doing anything, and I don't think they're gonna do anything unless they reverse split. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell them. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, just take them out of there. SAVA is starting to go up and down. That's that. I'm sorry, that's the Alzheimer's drug. So I'm gonna wait till they go to the FDA. They're in their third phase. That's why I said I'm gonna keep them until they do something. They supposed to be up like they're it's supposed to be about $80 a share, but once they get FDA approval, this thing gonna shoot up fast. That's why I'm keeping it right here until it does something, and then I'm gonna take some money and get about 200 of them. About 200 at that price, at $23 a share. I think that's a good price. But if I get it now, it'll take me past what I need to do with this other money. AT&T, it's not doing well. It's $15.21. I tried to get them at 14, but it came back up real quick. Here we go, Tesla again. I'm sorry, folks. Tesla's the winner again. And this one right here, I'm gonna hold on to my hat for until if it hit 500, I'll go ahead and take it. But boy, they up 71%. I got 1,000 of them. This is VIRI. It's one of the medical thing. Everybody. Let's look at when you look at. Let's look at all of them because we getting ready to close. That's how much I made today. I'm up. Remember, I started the year with like 45,000. Now I'm up to 52. So I made a little money. And I put it back and I lost a little bit. So I'm in between $5,000 and $8,000 to the good. If I had a bank account, I put that much money in, I don't think I would have 8,000 in interest. So I think it's doing good. And these are the ones, oh, you look, it's all green over here. I made a year gain, except, you know, the ones that I'm waiting on, the $1 million ones. Okay. Well, look at Tesla. Tesla, I'm up again. Not only 8.5, now it was up another $4,000. Okay, I can snatch Tesla out right now and sell 100 and make $4,000. But I'm looking at the big picture. Okay, you can see the rest of them ain't nobody's even close. NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA, ain't even close. I got 14 of them. Okay. VIRI, not even close. None of these is close. I'm just letting you look at that for a change. So let's stop sharing because I wanted you to see this piece. But AITX, I would advise you to take a good look at AITX. It's OTC stock, but look at what they're doing. Okay. It went up to 90, 92. Okay. If they keep on the next year, if they get to 99 or a penny, I'd have made about $300. But if they go up to $1, that's what I'm waiting for them. They go to $10. If they go up to 10 cents, I think I made about $10,000, if I'm not mistaken, or close to about 9,000. If they go up to 10 cents, okay. But 100,000, yeah. So that's a good. And I'm gonna watch it and see what they do. But they must have good earnings or something. They look a lot of folk, and they got volume too. They got 70 million people that was pulling this one in. Okay. Tesla's the only one. No, Tesla's got a lot. Then you got AT&T. Then you got a lot of, we got 60 million up here at Amazon, 70 million at the AITI. That's a hard, they be now. Come on, folks. You got 119 is this one right here. We're waiting on this one. It's $3 million, 3 million sub penny stock. Okay. Got 119, but the only one is the T-Mobile and Tesla. Okay. So God bless you. God keep you. Let me stop sharing. I'm not a financial advisor. God bless you. God keep you. God cause his face to shine on you. And I will see you, if the Lord willing, next Monday or next Friday. One of the two. I know I'll be on here, the Lord willing, on one of them. So God bless you. I hope you have a great weekend. Okay. Bye-bye.